Ah, they're still here! Why are they still here? God! Get away from me, you foul creatures, please.
How are we, champ? Look at them. They're, oh my goodness, they're all smooching. Aww. That is weird. I don't think I've ever seen dolphins do this before.
Is it weird that we're watching?
I mean, I don't think so. They're dolphins. Aw, they're smooching. They're attacking one of them. Oh my goodness! The three of them just killed the other one.
Oh my god!
Did we just watch like an attack? Gibby, we just watched a murder.
I just realized that's what it was, huh? Isn't that technically? Yeah, no, you guys just technically just posted bail. You guys... Yeah, that's what you did. We bailed him out. Oh, but yes. So, yeah, it'll be cool. I'll have... God? Who just turned on my light? Okay.
Alright, dude. Hey, have a great stream. I'm sorry I have to leave. I just want to take a bath.
Alright, it's okay, Carl. It's okay. You go rest. You go rest.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, bye.
Alright. Goodbye, Carl. I said you two! I said you two when he said have a good stream. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Man said you too when I said have a good stream.
I did. I
Man
did.
said you too.
I did. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Oh man, then he came back into the call to make fun of me some more. Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. Yo, man, I'm so sad now.
Do you realize you have the attention span of a 5-year-old? Don't offend 5-year-olds. My attention span is much worse.
Soon enough it will be mine.
Okay.
Everything like.
Tomo, why are you so quiet, by the way? You are very quiet. I'm gonna turn you up. Everyone's gonna go, Tomo is so quiet, guys. I turned you up, Tomo. There you go. You're welcome.
No, I didn't want to be turned up.
No, you're in the Jet Manifold special now, Tomo. How do you feel?
No.
Mind is finders keepers. Oh hi, I'm a creeper. So nice to meet you, but time is time to leave and tick tock, tick tock. Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune.
I love watching your stream. Because of you I'm starting streaming myself in a few weeks. My friends and I have
This. What the?
So I'm gonna be changing the time frame of this alternate universe, making the current time frame of the story. So the next video on this alternate universe will look a bit different. Okay, good talk. Bye.